want to leave your door open so that you're not building up mildew. And you actually should clean your washing machine once per month. If you have a front load, you need to manually drain the washer. And a lot of people don't even know it exists, but there's a little door right on the front. That's where you can drain and clean your pump filter. It's a little challenging because it's gravity fed and it's usually only this high off the ground. So you need a low bucket to catch it. I found a casserole pan works really well. You can place that in front, take the hose out, unplug it, and drain it into your pan. Once that's drained and cleaned out, you want to mix about 2 capfuls of bleach in a cup of water and clean the rubber gasket on your front loader. And when you talk about leaving the door open, what you're trying to do is prevent mildew building up in this rubber gasket. And if you hit it with just a little bit of bleach, you're going to get rid of any potential mildew that you have there. You can skip that step if you're not a bleach person. Next up is to remove the dispenser tray where you pour in your detergent, maybe fabric softener. Clean that out, usually pretty easy. Just run it in a sink and hit it with your sponge. Lastly, you can throw a washing machine tub cleaner in and run either a clean cycle or a heavy duty cycle on your washer. If you're not a harsh chemical person, you can always substitute a cup of vinegar in your washer, take care of any hard water buildup and run it that way. Once a month is what's recommended just to prevent that mildew and keep your washer running longer.